So today we're going to be taking a look at how you can add a vignette effect to your video in DaVinci Resolve. It's pretty simple, so all we've done up to now is add our video to our timeline like this. So once you're in the editing stage, you want to be in this little editing panel. Then we want to go up to the top and want to click Effects. Once we're in Effects, we just want to click Open FX. And once we're in here, it's quite far down. You're going to have to do a bit of scrolling. And we're going to see Vignette. Here is a vignette. You can hover over the top to see like what it might look like. So we can drag that onto our clip, like so. And then we're going to come over to the right hand side, and you're going to see here in the inspector, you want to have that turned on. Going to click Effects, and we can do some different things with our vignette. As you can see, we can change the size of it. I quite like this size. Then you can also change this function here, which brings the black in and out. You can also change the softness. I quite like having a softness. I think this kind of looks a bit weird. But yeah, you can have a softness. And if you really want, you can also change the colour of the vignette. So as you can see here, we've made it blue. And blue, this looks absolutely weird, but you can do it. And this is the power of this effect. As you can see it a bit better with the paint there. And another thing we can do is we can also change our operating mode. It's on basic at the moment, that probably is all you need. But you can also click advanced if you want to change a few different things like the centering and the transparency of the effect. Along with the shape, you can also change the border shape from like a triangle. It's default, it's on oval. But you can do that if you want to do some sort of a different effect. But that's how you apply a vignette to a video in DaVinci Resolve. Please like, comment and subscribe. I'll see you next time.